Everything in our world begins with a promise. From tiny seeds that keep a promise of life, to fragile saplings growing into flourishing forests and promising biodiversity, oxygen and carbon storage. Even more, forests hold the promise of a natural and renewable resource, wood. We, Latvija's Finieris Group, an EU-based global leader of birch plywood solutions, see wood-made products as the key to a sustainable future and replacement for fossil-based materials in almost every application. It all starts in the vast forests of Europe's Nordic region, where birch trees are grown, the benchmark for sustainable forestry management, promising respect for biodiversity, forest health, and full traceability of every log. Our goal is to promote circular economy, the very essence of the European Green Deal and the cornerstone of every process at our mills. Located to ensure short transportation distances for raw materials, our mills form essential local economic clusters that integrate into the global value chain. Our professionally skilled team makes sure that we deliver what we've promised. Moreover, a significant number of the company's shareholders are employees of our mills and offices, so we can truly say that it's our company, where we are motivated by lifelong learning and sustainability. Powered by dedicated people and renewable energy, our mills have the latest cutting-edge technologies to maximize efficiency, time, and energy. A zero-waste approach is embraced through all the process. All wood is utilized for various durable products till the very last piece. To succeed, we must innovate. Just one example, our own machinery plant develops and engineers new production line solutions. By being part of a global innovation hub and having both resources and knowledge, we are putting our vision into practice each day. Riga Wood Birch Plywood Solutions is our core business, grown by nature, tailored by us, and applied by many industries all over the globe. Local professionals at 12 Riga Wood sales and product development offices make sure that lasting relationships are built and promises to deliver customized solutions are kept in every project for every customer. One of our most ambitious inventions is Riga Ecological, one of the world's first green industrial glues with renewable and natural adhesive lignin that replaces traditional fossil-based ingredients. Products that substitute fossil materials and store carbon for a lifetime is our future, and the future is in our hands. We keep this in mind with each project and every invention. Our business approach and core values, safety, respect, leadership, and development, are based on mutual trust and human dignity. Our experience of more than 3 decades have proven that deals can be agreed on and promises kept, based on a kind word and a simple handshake. Latvija's Finieris Group. Promises delivered, naturally.